Hello dear friends, how are you? I'm Vikas Driving Instructor from Vikas Driving School. In this video, I'm going to show you the pre-driving safety check. Pre-driving safety check means they're going to ask you the basic function of the car before starting your driving test in the Victoria. If you're living in the other state, maybe it will be also useful for you how to use the basic function of the car. So before starting your driving test, they're going to ask you the pre-driving safety check. Pre-driving safety check means they're going to ask you the basic feature of the car. So before starting your car, you must need to know how to use your basic function of the car. So first of all, the examiner, they're going to ask you the indicators, signals. So left signal, so that's how it's going to be left signal, and right signal, you need to keep your indicator down. And then they're going to ask you about the headlights. So if you want to on your headlights, you need to turn your indicator 2 times. 1, 2. That is going to be headlight. And after asking the headlight, then they're going to ask you about the high beam. So this is going to be high beam. As you can see, this blue sign is the sign of the high beam. High beam, you can use it in a countryside when there is no light and no vehicle is close to you. So after that, they will say to you high beam off. You need to push toward you. If you want to high beam on, push toward your feet like this. And if they will say to you off, you need to push toward you. So that is going to be headlight and high beam. And after that, they're going to ask you demister, and then they will ask you about the back demister. This is the back demister, and the hazard light. This is the hazard light off, and handbrake. This is the handbrake. And then they will ask you brake, horn. So these basic functions they're going to ask you in the driving test. Make sure you must need to know about also how to operate washer and wiper during your driving test. Suppose if the raining is coming and you're not able to use washer and wiper, they can fail your driving test. If you will keep your indicator down, wiper is going to be on. So the wiper has 3 steps. The first step is 1 down. If you will do 1 more down, that is going to be on medium speed, and 1 more down, that the wiper is going to be high speed on. So if you want to off your wipers, you need to keep your indicator up. If you lift up your indicator, then wipers will be off. So that's how you can use your wipers. And so these things they're going to ask you in the pre-driving safety check. If you still have any doubt, any question, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section, and I will reply you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I am going to add more value, more tips and tricks to pass your driving test in a first go. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon with the next video. So bye for now.